How to fix Telegram app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, you can also enable airplane mode for 20 to 30 seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Telegram, and make sure that the Telegram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to the Telegram option and tap on it. Further, go ahead and offload the Telegram application and then reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Your issue should have been fixed, and if not, then go back to your home screen and navigate to the Telegram option and tap hold on it. You will see the option for remove app. Tap on it and then tap on the delete app option. Delete the Telegram application completely and then reinstall the app again from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be that the Telegram server is down, so you can go ahead and check for the Telegram server status, and if the server is down, you will simply have to wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Telegram app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.